So far, been able to take the cover off, replace the chain, replace the sprocket, replace the crank sprocket under there. Oil pump has to come off, obviously, to take the cover off. Put it on top dead center so you can take off the distributor and the oil pump at the same time. So when you put it back together, it's all on time. Resealed the water pump. I'm replacing this power steering line because it's been leaking, and replacing the pump too because that's leaking as well. And yeah, chain was the guide was the plastic piece had broken off inside. It's a common issue on these, I guess. And well, that's the new one. The new should be straight now. We'll see. Record the first startup.